Presenting the SmallHD Focus Holiday Bundle. In this great bundle for just $479, you get the popular SmallHD Focus 5-inch monitor. This monitor regularly sells for just $499 on its own, so you're already saving $20 with this special offer. Plus, you get almost $150 in accessories. The sunhood, a screen protector, an L-series battery and charger, and even a cleaning cloth. Now I'm going to go ahead and put this bundle together for you all to see. First, we open up our SmallHD Focus and see it has a stabilizer arm already attached. You're going to want to take that off to put on the sunhood. Now the sunhood has tabs that clip into the slots on the sides of the SmallHD Focus monitor. Just clip those in, make sure that sunhood is fixed and not loose at all, and now your sunhood is attached. The battery fits in the back like most typical batteries. Unlike this unboxing, you just want to make sure your battery is fully charged before you put it in. Now, just simply reattach the stabilizer arm, and you're ready to take this SmallHD Focus monitor out in the field. This bundle is valued at $629. You save $150, and it's available now for just $479 while supplies last.